Open Snapchat on your smartphone, and the best option to add foreign friend, select the map icon. In map, you have to zoom out your Snapchat map just like this, and you have to go to a different country. So you can just zoom out the map all the way to the 0, and now go ahead and select a different country. Let's select France, for example. So I'm just zooming into France, and then here you get foreign Snapchat account. You can just tap in your account and tap the account name, and tap on add, and we can see the request successfully sent it. And here, this is a foreign Snapchat account. Let's search for a different one. So I'm just going back to map, and this time let's go to Denmark, and let's add this account, and just tapping on add. And that's how we can actually add foreign friends on Snapchat.